because you are very fluent. And you are giving some tips that how should we use kind master without watermarks, because I'm very passionate from my childhood, and I think there is no age limit for learning. And when I see so many videos of like me, then I get motivated.
Okay.
That I decided I will surely talk to you.
So by the way, good morning, Tanya, and how are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking this. How about you? Because you are not looking so fresh today. I think your
Uh,
eyes are looks so sleepy.
wait, let me do. Okay. Huh. So I was telling, it's not like that. Reason is that like I always get up in the morning and go for the running. So today I have done, out of my
Hmm.
capacity. So that is the reason I take a nap because my body need to gain the energy. So that is the reason. Otherwise, no problem.
You are an engineering student also, na? So I think your schedule will be very busy.
I think you have done so much research on me.
I know you are from Bihar, है ना?
Huh?
And you are
Okay.
doing bachelor in
Mhm.
computer application, and your you can say keyword is you are very punctual. I caught this word in your video.
Acha, the punctual word you have learned from me. Wow.
No, I'm also very punctual because first of all, I was a teacher. Before some month, I have quitted my job due to some reasons for taking
Okay.
care of my daughter. And my husband is also a lecturer of chemistry.
Oh,
So
nice.
most of the family members are in teaching field.
Okay. So how is your bond with your husband? Because he is the chemistry teacher.
Before marriage, I was thinking that he's a specialist of chemistry. He can take three parts: physical, inorganic, or organic. He's very good. And I was also a science student, but I have botany, zoology, and chemistry. My chemistry was not so good.
Okay.
But after marriage, this myth was, you can say, after marriage, मैं नहीं सीख पाई केमिस्ट्री और ज्यादा.
Okay, okay, fine. It's not a big deal because in my 12th also I was very interested in the chemistry because of my teacher. He was the person like how can I say that give any like very funny examples and he has taught us. I know the bond. Okay, so that word I just connection. So that's why I asked to you also. Okay, so Tanya, I think before we move forward to the conversation, I would like to know about you more, like about your interest and yeah, this all the thing. So you can give me your
Okay, first,
brief introduction.
yeah. I'm giving you a brief introduction. First of all, I am Tanya. I am from Jaipur. Basically, I came from Ghaziabad, and my all academics were done by CCS University, Meerut. But my
Okay,
husband is right now in Jaipur, so I am here with my daughter and my husband. My daughter is right now in fifth standard. This is all about me.
and what would you like to do in your free time?
Free time, most of the time, I am watching movies on Netflix. This is my, you can say, main hobby this time. And
Okay,
when I got time, I play with my daughter uh, badminton.
okay, so you are the movies person, OTT, like series and all. So what is the last series or movie you have finished?
Emily in the Paris.
I think
It is a
Hollywood.
web series.
I don't know.
It is a. It's okay. But
Okay, fine.
recently, I have past few, I think few days ago, I have seen Karina Kapoor new movie, Jaan, I think something like that, Jaan O Jaan.
I heard the name. I don't know the name, but the movie is the suspense and uh, crime basis,
Yes,
something
yes,
like
yes,
that. Yeah,
yes.
exactly.
Because she is playing the character of a strong mother.
Ha, she is saving her daughter, something like that. It's a story.
Yes, 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 yes. She is saving
Huh.
her daughter with her father because his father was a police inspector, but he was a criminal mind person.
I understand. I have watched the read the review of that movie. So I'm also kinds
Mhm.
of movie fond person, but I don't waste my time to watch movies 2 hours, 3 hours. I just get the brief idea like yeah, what is the context of the movie? That's it. If I feel that I should watch, so I just spend the time. Otherwise, yeah, I'm updated with the things. That much
But
enough.
because you are a student now, most of the time you are spending on your studies, so you have no time for watching movies all the time.
Okay, good question. Question I'm getting in my mind. Okay, do you really think nowadays most of the students they really give priorities to their study, or they mostly spend rather than spending the time of the study, they are spending the time on the social media? What do you think?
I'm thinking they are most of the time spending on social media or
Because
some useless
Mhm.
chit chat also.
Yeah, because average time duration of the mobile screening is the normal people is a 3 to 4 hour. Okay, and I don't think so the most of the I'm not talking about all the student, I'm talking about most of the student. They do not study even 4 to 5 hours, right? But they're spending their
Yes.
time on the mobile phone.
Are you from Vaishali district or Nalanda?
Why are you feeling like that?
I don't know why I'm feeling like that.
It's not like that. I am from Muzaffarpur district, which is famous for lychee and
Yeah, I
lahti.
know. Muzaffarpur, Hajipur. I know.
Hmm. Muzaffarpur is famous for lychee, Hajipur is famous for kela, banana, and yeah, like
Mm-hmm.
that, like that.
Good. Okay. Okay. You can ask any question.
Huh, okay. I just, till now I have done so many conversation, but to be honest, being a frank with the girls this much seriously, I wasn't. You are just come up with the so much, full of energy and like I was in the sleeping mode and you just all sleep gone. Actually, I
Because
was
you know
going.
I am a homemaker. All the household responsibility upon me. I'm a mother. I'm a good wife also. You can say good wife.
Of course, the girls has maintained so many things and they are playing the very good roles, mother wise, wife wise, household, and so many things. So they are,
And homemaker's life is very systematic way. They have
ha.
fixed all the times. They have made the plans. What will be in the dinner? What will be in the breakfast? What will be in the lunch? And what will be in the tea time? So many
Oh,
works. And I am a tutor also for my daughter.
huh. Of course, you are educated woman, so obviously you are going to teach your daughter, correct?
No,
So
I am
yeah.
not so much educated. I have done only masters, but I am
Ma-
learning. I am very masters.
so you are learning English for what?
Because I'm very passionate from my childhood, and I think there is no age limit for learning. And when I see so many videos of alike me, then I get motivated
Okay,
that I
great.
should learn English more and more and more and more speak. And when I saw your video on Karishma ma'am channel, na,
Okay.
that I decided I will surely talk to you because you are very fluent.
Okay.
And you are giving some tips that how should we use kind master without watermarks.